Hi, my name is Pia Nelson, and this is a summary of my final project encompassing an instructional video on the AATA online database for Info 244 Summer Session 2025 at SJSU with Professor Steiner. The tutorial's intent is to give first-year undergraduate students instruction on the AATA online database, which was chosen for its accessibility and as an excellent vehicle to provide students foundational online searching techniques. First-year undergraduates are the target audience as the AATA online database offers a basic search strategy, yet it also offers an excellent foundation to teach the benefits of using the advanced search strategy. Although it does not have a thesaurus, it does have a help link which provides users an overview on how to navigate the database. Also, it allows for more in-depth online search techniques such as Boolean operators, truncation, and wildcards. As an undergraduate develops confidence using the advanced search strategy in the AATA online database, they are slowly building confidence in their searching skills, which sets the stage for undergraduates to delve into more advanced databases with controlled vocabularies. In order to engage students, a tour of the homepage is conducted, allowing students the opportunity to take in the database's main elements. By doing so, it gives students an excellent foundation to draw upon as they view the tutorial and, more importantly, as they begin to navigate the database on their own. The video introduces Boolean operators, truncation, and wildcards, which are three online search techniques which can be used in many online databases to refine a search query. Depending on how they are introduced in a search, they will help expand or narrow search results as needed. Introducing first-year undergraduate students to these online search techniques will enhance their future online searching experiences. As undergraduate students move through their college courses and possibly embark on graduate school, these online search techniques will empower them as they are called upon to write research papers requiring relevant and scholarly resources. The video provides an overview of the home page, including the importance of reviewing the help link to provide a greater understanding of how to reap the benefits from the database. Next, the advanced search strategy is discussed, specifically providing the details and examples on how to conduct a search using Boolean operators and/or not, which will assist the student in expanding or narrowing their search results as needed. Next, truncation using the asterisk symbol is reviewed, sharing how such a search allows the student to return results which include various versions of the root of a word. By sharing the example of restor asterisk, which will return results including restore, restorer, restores, restoring, and restoration. Lastly, wildcards using the symbol question mark is reviewed as an online search technique, making students aware of the ease of searching for resources, which include terms which differ slightly based on the language of origin. Using the word analyze, which can be spelled either ANALYZE or ANALYSE as an example. The video shares how to access the database aata.getty.com, which is a free resource, and it centers on the key takeaways, which is the importance of reviewing the database's help link as it provides direction on how to best create online searches. In addition, it reinforces the importance of reaching out for assistance with questions when a contact link is available. The main goal of this instructional video on conducting searches using the AATA online database is to provide a strong foundation for first-year undergraduate students on how to structure online searches to ensure success. Once completing the tutorial, the students are engaged to interact with the AATA online database by practicing the examples given in the review for Boolean operators, truncation, and wildcards. Also, the viewers are encouraged to take time exploring the Getty Conservation Institute, the About AATA online, and the help link. The AATA online database provides first-year undergraduate students an introduction to advanced online searching techniques, which they may have not have received instruction previously. Hopefully, this tutorial will instill confidence in the future searches these first-year undergraduate students conduct and take some of the anxiety away brought on when asked to provide relevant and scholarly resources to support their assignments. Thank you for your attention as I reviewed the details of my presentation, and have a wonderful day.